Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my very first vlog sale. So I'm finally getting rid of a few of my bags, but before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If these are the kinds of videos that you like watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below, and if you want to connect with me in my socials, it's at TrishDLF. So I've had this channel for a while now, and I realized that I've actually never done a vlog sale yet. For those who have been following me for a while, you would know that I really like to keep my bag collection at a minimum number, and it's usually at the number 8, but we have gone far beyond that the past 2 years, and in the past it's always been a one in one out bag policy, especially if my designer bag collection already exceeds the number 8. However, the past 2 years I haven't really been able to follow that. I didn't really have time to sell after purchasing a few bags, so the number kind of crept up in my collection. So it's nearing the end of the year, and I finally decided that I needed to purge, so I will be getting rid of a few bags. Next year, for 2023, I'm also going to be doing my updated designer bag collection, because for this year, 2022, I did the contemporary designer bag collection. So I am kind of also preparing for that because I need to curate my collection. That's why I'm getting rid of a few stuff. Hopefully that collection for 2023 is gonna be pretty nice because I've added like a lot of stuff since my last designer bag collection. Also, another reason I'm getting rid of these bags is because I have another bag coming up. I have a new bag coming up for this December for my birthday. I've actually already purchased it, but I will be unboxing it on my birthday. So yeah, this entire vlog sale is in preparation for that because yes, I did accumulate a few bags in my collection for the past 2 years. So without further ado, the guidelines for the sale is that number 1, it will only be open to Philippine residents because I am not really experienced in international shipping. So all shipping as much as possible just within the Philippines, and if you're in Metro Manila, we can easily do Grab or Lalamove or pick up or meet up actually if you're just within the city. Next is that all prices will be linked down below, and it will be a first come first serve basis. As of now, I would recommend to just message me on my Instagram. So my Instagram is at TrishDLF. If you're interested in any of these items, just message me on Instagram and I will send you the detailed shots. I also intend to post them in my selling account in Shopee, which I will link down below. So hopefully I will be able to post the detailed shots there as well. But as of now, as of recording, I haven't done that yet. So if you're interested in the bags and I haven't put the links to the detailed photos down below, just message me on Instagram. Okay, so there you go. I'm getting rid of 4 bags, and we will start with this bag, which is, I feel like you would already know, this is the Gucci Soho Disco. So this bag, you guys have seen this multiple times. I've talked about this so many times about how I don't really love it as much. This was already in my bag collection 2 years ago, and my comment about it was that it's not a very special bag for me. And for the longest time, this was just a display on my cabinet, I swear. So this is like in actually really good condition, as you can see. Like the tassels are still intact, not much wear on the leather, and again, for the detailed photos, just message me. The strap is still in really good condition. The hardware hasn't tarnished either. I think the only major wear and tear for this bag is that this area is a bit soft already, so it's not like a full square anymore, because obviously when you wear it crossbody, the leather kind of juts in. So I think that's mainly just the only issue, as you can see there. But if you look at the corners, and I'll also add in close-up shots so you can see the corners, but yeah, this is in pretty darn good condition. And then for the interior, I've always kept it stuffed. That's why it really kept its shape. So the interior is pretty clean as well. I have some nails in there. The interior is pretty clean, as you can see over here. Yeah, nothing to say about the interior. It's in pretty excellent condition. So this one is called the Gucci Soho Disco in the rose beige color. The leather is like a pebbled calfskin. It just has the GG logo over there, and it's just the basic camera bag. This bag will come with its original dust bag, as you can see over here, and it still has its cards. There you go, the Controlato cards, and it also has the original paper bag. So I'll just have the inclusions in the detailed photos, so you can just message me if you're interested in this bag. Honestly, condition of this bag is excellent. And if you've watched my previous videos, you'd know that this is a bag that I really barely use. So this is a very good buy already. And I'm pricing it at a very competitive price. So that's the best buy out of today's vlog sale, I would say. Okay, next is this Balenciaga bag. So this one, it only comes with a replacement dust bag, as you can see. So it doesn't come with the original dust bag anymore. But this is the bag. It's the Balenciaga envelope clutch. Now this is also in excellent condition. This in this light gray color with a metallic edge gold hardware. And it also comes with a long strap as so. I realized that the bags I'm selling, they're actually in very good condition. Actually, if you buy a bag from me, it's most likely gonna be in like excellent condition because obviously I love bags and I don't like beat up my bags. I take very good care of them, so this is also in like excellent condition. The only thing I would say is that the corners have some wear already, but very minor. Again, I will do like close-up shots, but that is honestly the only wear that I can find. There might be some little dirt at the back, but I don't really see it that much. You only really see it if you look up close, but I'll try to baby wipe that. It's just like a slight discoloration over here, and yeah, look at it. Honestly, it's in excellent condition. That's all I have to say. Again, a bag that I barely use because if you watch my bag collection video from 2 years ago, I bought this bag to attend parties. And then the pandemic happened, so we didn't really go to parties. And so this bag has remained unused. Well, I used it a bit, but yeah, I mean, with regard to wear and tear, like look at it. It's in like pristine condition. So the tassels, again, they're in excellent shape, no fraying. When you open the bag, this is what the interior looks like. The straps are over here. You can connect them and you can wear it as a crossbody. So for the interior, this is what it looks like. It just has a zippered pocket over here and then 2 other compartments. And it still comes with a mirror. So I just detached the mirror, but you can easily just like attach it back on. I usually just put it here in the zip compartment inside. It started raining really hard outside, so I apologize for the noise. Hopefully I'm still audible. Oh, and I forgot to say that the leather of this is the goatskin leather. So it's the hardier type of leather versus the agneau leather of Balenciaga, which I'm also actually selling here, so I'll show you that in comparison to this one later on. This one will come with a strap, as I showed earlier, the mirror, and then the replacement dust bag. Okay, now this one is another Balenciaga bag, but this one will actually come with the original dust bag. This one is a vintage Balenciaga First. So this one I just got earlier this year, I think, or late last year. I bought this as a vintage bag to reminisce the old style of the Balenciaga bags. I think I explained it in one of my videos, if you've watched that video, that I bought this bag because it's very similar to the new design, the leather+jacquard right now, because it's also a shoulder bag, as you can see. And it's in the green color, which they also came out with the green color right now, and this green color is so in right now. So I was like, I wanted to have that same green bag just to replicate the style and the trend that's going around these days. And I was not going to spend like big money for the leather+jacquard because I could have the same aesthetic just with a vintage bag. So this one I think is from, I don't know, like early 2000s, mid 2000s. So yeah, it's a bit vintage already, but it's still in great condition and the leather is still in really good condition. I mean, for a vintage bag, and look at it, like the green, the color of the green really stands out, and it's still so solid. It aged really well. Like some vintage Balenciaga bags, the colors tend to like fade over time, but for some reason, the specific color and the specific leather of this bag, like the green really stayed on really well. So that's what I was saying when I was comparing the Balenciaga envelope in the goatskin leather earlier. That one is like a thicker leather, while this one is in the agneau leather, which is more of the like really soft, buttery, pliable leather. So for this, it's just in this like forest green or true green color, and it's in the ruthenium hardware. For the interior is still in really good condition, and the tassels are intact. For a lot of the Balenciagas that have the tassels as zips, they tend to like fray and split over time, but look at the condition of this one. Like, it's still intact. Like, both tassels are intact. So again, because this is the vintage design, the zippers are still the tassel pull, but you open it up, it's just a black interior. The interior is also very clean, as you can see, and it's still the plated brand tag inside. And then in the back, you're gonna see the serial code and everything. And then, yeah, it's just a zip compartment and then a big open compartment inside. For this bag, the corners are still in very good condition. Barely any scuffing because, again, this is the type of bag that you wear as a shoulder bag. You don't really put it on surfaces. That's why I guess minimal, barely any actually scuffing on corners. But the thing where I noticed where, it's on the piping. So the leather piping, the seal, some of it has already frayed. So that's the only thing. So on the handles, and again for the detailed shots, because I feel like the photos will show it more. Since for all these bags, I took all the photos under natural lighting, so you'll be able to see all the possible flaws once you message me and I can send you the photos. So for this one, it's really just the leather piping or seal that has begun to like fray a bit or scuff. So there's some on the handles, a little fraying on the piping, but honestly still in great condition. It's mostly just really on the handles where you can see some wear. But like with regard to the stiffness of the handles, because some Balenciaga bags, especially the vintage ones, like the handles get to be like really soft already, but this one, it's still very stiff, as you can see, right? Right? So still very stiff handles. Everything, like the entire structure, is still in great condition, but it's just really the leather piping. Oh, and also, so this one will come with a bag, the original dust bag, and it also still has the mirror intact. So mirror is always just in the pockets. That's where we always put them. So the mirror is also in great condition, as you can see, very clean mirror. So for this bag, if you're a trendy girl and if you wanted to be like me and wanted to cop the green bag trend without breaking the bank, then this is a great buy for you because it's actually really cute to wear, like as a Gen Z vibe. And you don't really see a lot of Balenciaga First in this color and in this condition. Green. Like, I feel like this is rare in the vintage market right now. So yeah, if you want to cop the look, then you really need to get this bag. Okay, and last bag, it's not a designer handbag, but it's this Coach bag, which I also unboxed on this channel, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna love it, but the gods have spoken and I did not love it. I barely wore this as well since I got it last year. This is the Coach swinger bag in the signature jacquard print. This one is in the regular size. I think it's in around 22 centimeters because it does come with a smaller size. But anyway, the signature jacquard print, meaning it's fabric and leather. So it's just in this sky blue color with gold hardware, and it's basically like a shoulder bag. But you can also unclip it, and inside it does have a long strap for crossbody or like over the shoulder type of bag. And this interior pretty clean. This one will come with the bag, the original dust bag, and the paper, just some control cards over here. This one I purchased in Rostan's last year for like I think 21,000. It was kind of expensive because it's Rostan's, but honestly I feel like you could have bought this abroad for like much cheaper. But yeah, barely used. Again, I made a video on this, I made a review video on this. I realized that I am not really a shoulder bag kind of girl because it's hard to access my stuff. I have to remove the shoulder bag just to open the bag and get my belongings. So that's one of the things why I didn't really use this bag. That's why almost brand new, guys. I probably wore this like 5 times max. Like, look at the corners. So honestly, no smell. This is definitely in like new condition. So you're definitely getting a steal rather than getting it brand new. For this bag, I don't really have anything to say because it's practically in like new condition. So there you have it. That's everything that I'm selling for my very first vlog sale. I hope you guys liked what you see. Everything is priced very affordably and competitively. Like even if you compare it with a lot of resellers and Instagram shops. So I hope you're able to snag any of them if you find anything interesting. Again, my Shopee links aren't up yet for the detailed photos of these, but for now, please message me on my Instagram and I already have all the detailed photos set. So just message me and I can send all the detailed photos through there. All the prices are also already linked down below. And if I've already sold an item, I will make sure to update the description box. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to connect with me in my socials, it's at TrishDLF. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you could. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!